Okay, this is a repair attempt for Luke Liu. Claim number 1122 Foxtrot 416 Zulu. It's an 18-year-old roof. I've identified this as the target shingle. Stops and begins here. I gotta go 2 scores above. In order to do that, I gotta press these seals. Right before I get started, I'd like to illustrate that I cannot damage these shingles with my bare hands. You know, bare hands. I'm 225 pounds, walking around up here. Cannot damage these shingles with your bare hands. So, there's the current nail right there. I don't know how well you can see that. I'll take a picture of it. That's the current nail placement, the existing nail pattern. It should actually be above that tar strip. Alright, so I've got to get this up high enough. That's about, let's say 45 degrees. But I've got to be able to swing this hammer without hitting that on the downswing, and I need to place the nail flush. According to the shingle application manual, I'm allowed to lift this high enough in this. So I've illustrated I cannot damage these shingles here, and I can already tell it's pretty brittle, tons of granular loss everywhere. But anyway, let's get started. Yeah, the shingles are really brittle. I mean, it's just crumbling, pulling these nails out, as you can see here. Of course, this shingle's already damaged, but I'm expecting the same to happen as I go up. The shingle's just crumbling and pulling through. See, like right there, you can see it's pulling through right there. I'll wait to see that in the video. It's just crumbling. Okay, so that one pulled through. The shingle's brittle and crumbling. See if I can get a good video or a picture of that. I mean, so that nail pulled through. Let's see if I can get that on video. It's just crumbling. See, this one's wanting to pull through as well. Just gonna leave that just like that. I don't know how well you can see it with the camera, but I'm gonna get a picture of it. But it's starting to pull through, so that's gonna be another damaged shingle. All right, looks like we have an Owens Corning product here. Actually, looks like it may be discontinued. Metro Dade, Atlas Roofing Corporation. This is quite possibly a discontinued shingle. Feels pretty thick. Let's see, this is a 25-year shingle that I'm using. I don't know how well you can see in this video, but obvious thickness difference here. Now I'm just using this shingle as a temporary repair. I think it's much better than, you know, a tarp. And tarp, you end up with a bunch of tacks up here. I don't like that. All right. See, I'm going back in the proper nail placement. You can see that. I hope you can see that in the video. Right there. All right. I don't know if you can see this, but just vibrating the roof. All I'm doing is vibrating the roof, trying to simulate the pitter-patter of rain. I can already see cracks through here, cracks through here, through here, through here, here, and here. Now remember, earlier when I did this, I couldn't damage it with my bare hands, but now that we've just barely, you know, lifted this up to pull a nail and drive a nail, I'm getting cracks right in here. And I don't know how well you can see that on this camera, but I'll get some pictures of it. But that's damaged. I'll step back. Let's see. Yep. Over time, as it rains, more and more of these granules are going to fall out from where it's just too brittle. So this has failed here, it's failed here. That one's going through there, but yeah, those are all failed. Not so much on that one, but well, yeah, I can see it right there. That one's failed. So yeah, I can't see it too good on camera, but to the naked eye, that's pretty prominent. So that's a total of, see, 1, 2, 3 shingles. 3 more shingles were damaged in the process of repairing one.